Suppose result_dict is a dictionary that holds the marks obtained by few students as shown here. Robbie got 50, Rita 54 and Paul 51. Now we may ask, what is the marks obtained by Rita? We can access the value of a key-value pair with the help of the key as shown here. What if the key doesn't exist? Let's check. No key named Mita exists in this dictionary. So, it throws key error message. Does the key Kia exist in the dictionary result_dict? The answer is false, that is, it does not exist. Does the key Rita exist in the dictionary result_dict? The answer is true, that is, it exists. Not an operator may also be used in this way. The answer is false, because the key Paul exists. We may also place the not operator just before the key. The result is the same, false. The contents of the result_dict is like this. Now we will check how to change the value corresponding to a given key. Here, the value for the key Rita is 54. Suppose we want to change it to 55. This can be done using this kind of assignment statement. Check the contents again. Obviously, the value for the key Rita has changed to 55. Now we will learn the uses of two important functions, len and list. Len returns the length of the dictionary, that is how many key-value pairs exists in the dictionary supplied as an argument. List returns a list of the keys of the dictionary supplied as an argument. Now we will learn how to update a dictionary using the dictionary method update. Here is an example. Here we pass a key-value pair to be inserted in the dictionary. Look into the content of the dictionary. Mia 50 pair is inserted in the dictionary. If we supply any key-value pair that already exists in the dictionary, the value corresponding to the supplied key will be updated. Here is an example. Look, the value for the key Rita has changed from 55 to 49. Removing an item from the dictionary using a del statement. Suppose we want to remove the key-value pair for the key Paul. This can be done using this del statement. Now the key-value pair for the key Paul does not exist. Now we will learn how to copy a dictionary using the copy method. Here is an example. The statement copy the contents of the dictionary result_dict to R. Remember, it is a shallow copy. Look, the content of R and result_dict is the same. The difference between deep copy and shallow copy will be discussed in a separate lesson. Now let's talk about the pop method. It returns the value of a key, if it exists, and removes the item from the dictionary. If the key does not exist, then it throws a key error or the default value. Here we get key error because the key meta does not exist in the dictionary result_dict. Now we will supply the default value to the pop method. The default value will be returned if the key does not exist. Here the default value is 0, that is, if the key does not exist, then 0 will be returned. And so is the output here. Now let's try with the key mia that exists. It returns 50. It is the value for the key mia. The operation also removes this key value pair. Let's check it. Look, the key value pair has been removed from the dictionary result_dict. Now let's check another method, popItem. This method removes an item, that is, a key value pair, from the end of the dictionary. It takes no argument. It returns the pair. Let's check it. The current operation has returned this item. It was removed from the dictionary too. Let's check it. See, the dictionary has only one item left. Before moving forward, let's add few more items in the dictionary using the update method. Now the dictionary becomes like this. Now let's use another method, get. The get method returns the value for a key if the key is in the dictionary, else it returns default value supplied to the method. Without default value, it returns none. That is why this method never raises key error. Here are a few examples. In this case, the meta does not exist, so it returns nothing. Let's supply a default value to the method. Here it is 0. As the key is not in the dictionary, it returns 0. Now, let's test it with a key that exists. Here the supplied key is Ron. As it exists, the method get returns 51. Now, we will learn how to use the iter function to create an iterator using the keys of the dictionary. Here is an example. Let's check the type of I. And it is dict_key iterator. That is, we can now use this iterator to iterate over the items of the dictionary. We may also create the iterator using this statement. Now let's use a for loop to access the keys of the dictionary using the iterator. And here is the output. The reversed function returns an iterator that accesses the given sequence in the reverse order. If a dictionary is passed as argument, the items can be accessed in reversed order using this iterator. Here is an example. The above operation has returned us with a reverse key iterator that we may use to access the keys iteratively. Let's write a for loop to access the keys using the above iterator. See, the keys are displayed in reversed order. setDefault is another method. If a particular key is in the dictionary, it returns its value. If not, it inserts the key with a value of default and returns the default. If no default value is provided, the default value is none. Let's check the following examples. In this example, we are trying to set default value for the key meta. The key meta is not in the dictionary result_dict. So, the method will insert the key value pair. Let's check it. Here, the default value for withe is 25. Let's try another example. Here we are not supplying any default value for the key tia. Look, the value corresponding to the key tia is none. This is all for now. Thank you for watching. Please provide your valuable feedback as comments. Please subscribe the channel. Bye.